Cody with the Recast team here, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to the new right-click tools. Right-click tools has been a staple of the sysadmin tool belt for those working in Config Manager for years now, and we've expanded our capabilities into Intune, and we're expanding even further now. The new right-click tools now contains insights, which gives you access to additional data points that are not natively available in Config Manager or other ITSMs, including pieces like warranty information, docking stations, map drives, and map printers. Insights also includes a pre-built suite of enterprise-ready reports, bringing you the reporting that you need, and the ability to share with your management team. If you're already familiar with Endpoint Insights, Endpoint Insights is now Right-Click Tools Insights. Right-Click Tools now also includes patching. Right-Click Tools patching includes over 4,000 applications at your fingertips, ready to be delivered to Config Manager or Intune. With the largest app catalog, support for custom applications, and pre and post scripting built in, third-party application management just got a whole lot easier with Right-Click Tools patching. If you are already familiar with Application Manager is now Right-Click Tools patching. And finally, Right-Click Tools now contains Privileged Access. Privileged Access enables you to give your end users self-service just-in-time elevation when they need it. Privileged Access also provides automated rights management, so only the accounts that you choose are given local administrator rights. It can also be used as a lapse replacement. If you're familiar with Privilege Manager is now Right-Click Tools Privileged Access. Insights, patching, and Privileged Access are all add-on modules of the new Right-Click Tools. We are expanding the capabilities of the Right-Click Tools that you know and love, and will continue to bring you more value in Config Manager, Intune, and beyond. We're so excited for you to get your hands on the new Right-Click Tools.